My name is Carlos Lucio. I'm from Chicago, Illinois. I had absolutely no experience in real estate. In my first year, was able to lock up 19 contracts in the first 6 months, and we did 7 wholesales, 3 in another state and 4 locally. With the help of the program, you just have to work it, and it works for you. It's a multitude of things. I think with I would like to say that the program, in a sense, can be your safety net. It could be your support. It could be your driving force. But there's just a lot of staff that are amazing and supportive, and I feel like that's the push that I needed to excel my business. But they also empowered me and let me know that I am in fact the driver. I'm the hero of my own story, and I really appreciated that. So like I mentioned, in the first 6 months I did 19 contracts. My biggest challenge was finding buyers for those contracts, even though I had an extensive buyers list. They let me know that you just have to keep hustling, and you're gonna find the right person. Don't stretch yourself too thin for the wrong person just because you need a buyer. And when I did that, I allowed the right people to communicate with, and I found the right buyer in the end for those deals. But I would not have been able to have known that. I would have just given up, but I felt like the program, in a sense, was my support or my kickstand in that light. It literally is like a plug-and-play ready system. You have to go through the motion and set everything up, but it gives you the playbook. You have to follow the playbook. I did that. I stood up 20-hour work days for I would say 4 to 5 weeks straight, and put in the time and did my own homework and did my research. And within 30 days, I had a fully operational system. My business was up and ready in 30 days. And that's really hard coming from somebody with no real estate experience and no experience period in how to start a business. But if it wasn't for the program, they would not have been able to provide that blueprint for me. And with it comes that confidence, like, oh, I can actually do this. So it was really hard. It was really hard, but having the mentorship, having that support, that safety net, to back you up and say, no, you're doing good, just keep going. If you go a little bit more, you're gonna land this, you're doing good. Or stop what you're doing, make the correction, and then move forward from there. I needed somebody to tell me if I was doing something correctly or not correctly. But that's what the program does for you. Being on the other side of the fence is, I think, my favorite. I like helping people, and I love speaking to them about their challenges and their hurdles, and helping them get through it, because I know I'm living evidence of making it through. It's not gonna kill you. Don't worry. I can be that person that says, keep going, just a little bit more, you got it. Like, trust me, you're on the right path, all you gotta do is push a little harder. That's my favorite thing to do. So you learn to be one, you be one, and then you teach one. That's always been my philosophy. No experience, 0 real estate experience, 0 experience building a business. You input me into this program, I build a business in 30 days. A fully functional operating system, real estate business. The first 6 months, I do 19 contracts. Now I have 3,200 active cash buyers in the Chicagoland area, just by following the steps, following the system. It's all in place for you. You literally just have to operate it. You drive the vehicle. And for the first year, not many people can say this, but for the first year, seven deals out of those 19 contracts, 7 deals, not stopping, just keep going. I lost contracts before, and I learned how to, I learned from my mistakes, and I moved forward from there, and it got me 7 deals. 3 of them weren't even in Illinois. 3 of them were out of state. So I was working with other clever investors, students, student leaders, people who are already in the program, just networking with them, being able to connect with them. It's on a integrity level. Like, the community itself supports itself. We just feed off of each other. And if it wasn't for the community, I would never have been able to do those 3 deals in Texas. Financial freedom awaits you, literally. Just make the decision. I feel like a lot of people think too much, and you just got to jump in.